Hello, everyone. So, in this session, we'll be learning some more options of programming that is available in JavaScript. So, we have started JavaScript. In the last session, also, we discussed what is JavaScript or why JavaScript is required. Today, we'll be discussing on how we can use JavaScript for accessing date and time, because many times we want that we have to make some programs based on the date and time. So in all those situations, we have a list of uh, functions that is available in JavaScript, which we can use to manipulate date and time. Here is two examples that we'll be discussing. One is based on date and the other one is based on time. So first of all, we will discuss how we can use the date class and its method to access the date and time of the system. So before we move on, we have a list of JavaScript functions related to date and time. First, we'll quickly look on those. So here is the list of methods that we have. We have getHours. So getHours returns the hour of uh, your system in the range of 0 to 23. So if it is 9 a.m. in the morning, it will return 9. And if it is 2 o'clock in the afternoon, it will return 14, 12 plus 2, 14. Similarly, if it is 4 o'clock in the evening, it will return 12 plus 4, that is 16. Similarly, we can use the get month, get seconds, get day. Get day is another very useful function. It returns the day number of the week. Uh, Sunday starts with 0, Monday is 1, Tuesday is 2, Wednesday is 3, Thursday is 4, Friday is 5, Thursday is Saturday is 6. So it is 0 to 6. Saturday is 6, Sunday is 0. And in between, we have other 5 days of the week. Then we have get full year that returns the year of the current calendar. If it is 2023, it will return 2023. Get month returns the month number from 0 to 11. Similarly, we have get seconds and a range of functions. We'll see some of them, and remaining you can explore on your own. How to use it? First, we have to uh, create an object of the date class. So this date that is written in capital is a predefined class. We create the object in the name of date. And with the help of this date, we can call any of these functions which is listed here. Get hours will return the hour number in H, and then we can use it in our program. So in this session, what we are covering is how to manipulate date and time in JavaScript. So let's come to the program. In the previous session, we discussed three examples in JavaScript. We'll discuss two more today. The program I have already written that will be available in your code. So here, if you can see, we have JavaScript code in the body here. So in whenever the JavaScript code is in the body, that means it will be automatically executed as soon as we'll run the program. So it will print hello user in H1. Then we have a div. In this div will print whether today is working day or a holiday. Assuming that our office remains off on Saturday and Sunday, that means 6 is Saturday and 0 is Saturday. So if the date comes as 0 or 6, then we'll print we are closed. And where this value will be printed, this value will be printed in this user wish section that is written here, and that will be printed in red color. So we have used a style color red. That means the whatever will be printed in that div will be in red color. For the remaining days, suppose today is uh, Thursday, so the day will be 4. So it will come as blue color and we are open. So either it will print we are closed or we are open, depending on which day you are executing this web page. So suppose we want to create a website in which on all working days it should print at the top we are open, and on holidays, Saturday, Sunday, etc., it will print that the office is closed. So what we are doing, we are creating an object by the name today. This object is of date class, and with the help of this today, we can call getDay. So today.getDay will return the day number today that will be stored in the variable day, and then we can use that day number to print the message we are closed or we are open. So this is a program which will print on the website, hello user, we are closed, or hello user, we are open. So hello user, we are closed will be printed on Saturday and Sunday, and hello user, we are open will be printed on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So now if we run this program, you can see how it is getting printed. So here comes the output. Hello user, we are open. Since it is this video is being made on 23rd February 2023, so today is Thursday. It is showing we are open. Now, suppose, just imagine that there is an office which remains closed on Sunday and Thursday. So what will we do? We'll change it to 4. That means for this program now, Sunday and Thursday are the closed days. So if we run this program, the same program again, it will be printing hello user, we are closed, and we are closed will be printed in the red color since we have changed the color to red. I hope you get this. See what we are doing. We are creating the object of the date class, new date. This is the class that is ready-made available in JavaScript, and today is the object of that class, and with the help of object we can call any of the functions. As soon as you write today and dot, you get all those functions which you can use. We want get day, so it will return the day number of the week. This is how we write programs. Now coming to next example, in this section we will be taking out the time. So the date class can also have the hours and minutes and seconds if it is required. So in this program, we are calling the get hours that will return the time. I'm making this video at 11 p.m. in the evening, in the night. So it will return 23, and based on the hour, will print either good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. So we'll be printing hello user, and then if the hour is between 0 to 12, that means if it is in the morning, it will print good morning. If it is from 12 noon to 16, less than 16, then it will print good afternoon. If it is from 4 in the evening to 7 in the evening, then it will print good evening. And if it is 8 p.m. or more, it will print good it can print good night if it is required. So at this moment, if I run, we have good morning, good afternoon, good evening till 19, but it is already 11 p.m. So if we run this program, it will not print good morning, good afternoon, good evening, because we are not printing anything. Let us see. I'll try to run this program once again. I'll make it live just to see how it is running. See, hello user, it is only printing and it is not printing good night because we are not printing anything. So we'll have to increase one more condition here. If it is greater than 19 and less than equals to 24, then it will be printing good night. Right. Now I'll run the same program once more. Let us see how it is printing. Yes. So hello user, good night. Why? Because you can see the time of my computer at this moment is 23:30. So it will be printing good night. If you run the same program in the morning, it will print good morning. If you run the same program in the afternoon, it will print good afternoon. In the evening, it will print good evening. Otherwise, it will print good night. Now, there is one more thing that we'll be discussing. In this program, you can see that the message is being printed here in this copyright. Instead of copyright, let me print. We have two div here, user wish. So it will print here in this one, and you can see the output. Okay. Coming back to the program. Now, suppose we want to print many times. You must have seen that it is written copyright 2023. So if we print document dot get element by ID, in this copyright. Copyright is just the name. You can see line number 10, we have a div copyright dot inner HTML equals to, suppose we print copyright 2023, suppose, or 2022. Now, if I run this program, what will happen? It will print, let's make this 2023. Now, if we run this program, it will print 2023. Now, if you run the same program next year also, will this value change to 2024? No, it will not change because we are printing copyright 2023. We are not printing copyright and year. So what we will do, here you can see we have one more variable years, and this will get full year in this format. So what we should do is we should write it copyright plus years. So now this you can see it is a variable. So why we are using variable? Because every year the value will change. So now if you run the program, the same program in the year 2024, it will print 2024. It is 2023 right now, so it is printing 2023. Every year you don't have to change this value. Why? Because it is taking the year from the system. It is not fixed, it is not static, but it is dynamic. So there are so many things that we can do with the help of date and time. So we can use these, and then we can go on making changes and write different types of program. And one more thing that you must note here is the script tag is being used in the body because we want to execute this code as soon as you run the program. In the previous section, where we have written a program where we take input two numbers and print the sum. So that in that program we used function, and that function is to be called only when the button is clicked. So when the button is clicked, we need some action to perform. So under such situation, we write the script tag in the head as a function, and here we are using the script tag in the body. I hope you understand. Try to execute these programs. You can find the code in the description, and if you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you very much.